New report from the Futurum Group, of course, our great friends, and let me try that again. A new report from the Futurum Group highlights some big news in the data intelligence space. The global data intelligence, analytics, and infrastructure (DIAI) market is projected to grow significantly, more than doubling from 409 billion to 876 billion, going from 2024 to 2029. That's a 16.5% compound annual growth rate, according to our Futurum Group study. Futurum Intelligence is an awesome part of the wider Futurum Group, which of course includes Tech Field Day. This surge in the DIAI is primarily driven by the accelerated integration of AI into enterprise data infrastructure, making data a crucial investment for future-proofing businesses through AI-driven automation and real-time decision-making. Tom, growth in storage is unsurprising. Is this something slightly different?
It is a little bit different. And normally I'd say, more data, people are munching through it. That's one thing. But when you look at the fact that this is literally what AI runs off of, like you you'd be crazy not to think about that. Look, the data intelligence, that is the raw materials that your algorithms, your models are running on. And running AI without good data intelligence is a lot like buying a Ferrari and then parking it in your driveway. If you don't have the place to run it, why have it? And look at all the things that go around this. I mean, we've been talking about this for over 10 years. Remember, we used to do data field day. And now that we've kind of come to where we're at with AI, it's like the new data field day. And yeah, I get it. Everything old is new again. But more importantly, what people need to understand is that everything that surrounds AI is growing at a rapid rate. I mean, look at the number of news stories that we've done already this year about power consumption. Like the electricity market is doing gangbuster business. If we can figure out a way to do cold fusion, I mean, AI will eat it up. But more importantly, what is the other thing you got to think about is like the data inputs are going to be growing. And how do you store those? Because I promise you, AI hates unstructured data. You've got to be able to look it up in a table. You got to be able to index it. You got to be able to do all of these things. And that means that organizations who have historically done a terrible job of holding on to that data are going to try to find a better way to do it. And that means they're going to be investing in all of these things. It's like cleaning up your house before you buy new furniture, right? We want it to be good. We want everything to be ready so that when we get the new stuff in here, we don't need to clean around it. And one of the things that all of the great people over at the Futurum Group have done is they have put together the numbers, one of those amazing reports that is easy to read, easy to consume, and can give you an idea of where the growth areas are and what people are using it for. And don't forget that you can head over to the Futurum Intelligence platform. And if you're already a customer, you can download this. If you're not, you can sign up and get access to it. The link to the blog post with the announcement there where you can get all the information that you need. So congratulations to that team for putting out an amazing report. I think that it's really going to help people understand not just where growth is in AI, but all of those satellite industries, right? Like when you see like a neighborhood being built, what's your first thought? I need to put a Walgreens here somewhere because somebody is going to need to go to the drugstore sooner or later. That's what we're talking about here.